Mendoza, the slightly used virgin in Ghana. This is Matimeka Kitchen, the crazy food and true talk kitchen. Oh, Ghana get talent. Here is your Professor Bia or your cardiologist. We base war, Jamen am away with the if ye ni fie. In fact, obe so Ghana for ye na wa wait too. Na ye nene tine wo Kolebu teaching hospital. Kolebu so de no ye top class cardiologist. Oh, Ghana hade. When you invent condoms, we Ghana hade you. Professor, when you invent condom, no be any professor make no answer. Now condom no, when you need na. Wafrano Excavator 500 condoms. This condom comes in a pack of 500. Oshemu 500. So please, Ghanaians, say Elijuma, this Valentine, just handle Excavator 500 condoms with care. The mo condomi, use otum, or pump moja, or di guwa kumaho, mawa kumano, or ye baby fine. Nemo. The mo condomi or your handle with care. Because I handle with care. Masrawa condom no. I raw no on char no or jejo. It's Ghana ladies, Ghana guys, me power chow. Handle Excavator 500 condoms with care. And them not a condom no. If you want sir, wash your bay so rough. Send that me Mendoza. Ibisama. I got no plans or no ideas about it. Tiseko.
Excavator the river don't see me. Excavator
no, but I don't even know this Amazon Paukan. Who is he?
Amazon member of parliament for AAK.
I don't know him. Because you know him.
I said that last week cook chamber.
And the thing is true. Please go away. Don't annoy me today. Please walk out.